Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video and today I'm going to make something a little bit different, and that is going to be a pizza. Before jumping into the tutorial guys, make sure you have watched my previous video and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't watched my previous video, then go check them out. They are really cool but after this video. But now let's jump into the tutorial. So for this pizza, you will need mixture of oregano and chili flakes, cheese, pizza sauce, capsicum, onion, pizza base, butter and salami, or you can use cottage cheese. Preheat the oven at the temperature of 108 degrees for 5 minutes. First, put the base in the microwave for 10 seconds to soften it. Now, take the base out of the microwave and start spreading some butter on it like this. Then start spreading your pizza sauce on the base with a butter knife. After that, sprinkle some cheese on top of it. The next step is to spread the toppings. Here I have some chopped capsicum, onions, add some salami. In case you are a vegetarian, you can add cottage cheese in place of salami. Now sprinkle the mixture of oregano and chili flakes. Apply butter on the oven blade. Take the help of your mom to put the oven plate inside the hot oven. And bake it for 8 minutes. And you're done! Yeah guys, now the pizza is made. I'm not going to try to eat it now because it is very hot, but I ate it last time like 1 or 2 weeks ago and it tasted very tasty. And I want you to try this pizza at home. And if you did, smash that like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!